Hi guys, it's Sheri Ann Richerson from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, SheriAnnRicherson.com, and biannualblogathonbash.com. And today I want to unbox and show you what came in the mail. I am super stoked. If you know what this is, you know what's in this box. I actually had a Pink Princess Philodendron many years ago, and it grew very large. Fact is, it took up my whole dining room window in the wintertime. That was where we kept it. It's a south-facing window. And in the summertime, I put it out on the deck, which was shaded. Has a big maple tree up above, and it did get a little bit of filtered sunlight but in the morning, but mostly shade. So, and in the wintertime, we would bring it in and we would set it in front of that window, and it just grew and grew and grew. And it was beautiful. And then in 2010, I had left to go help a friend, and my greenhouse was destroyed by hail. Jerry and my stepdad were here, but they didn't bother to save any of my plants or try to patch the holes in the greenhouse or anything. They just basically let everything die. And when I came home and I saw that, I was just sick. Years and years of growing some really rare tropical plants that I had finally got to bloom, and they were gone. My Theobroma cacao trees, my vanilla vines, I had clove, I had nutmeg, I had lang-lang that had actually come into bloom, and of course my Pink Princess Philodendron. So it's taken me a lot of years to decide to try again, because it was just that heartbreaking. And when I did decide to try, about a month ago, I started getting back into plants, the tropical ones that I love. And I realized that the Pink Princess Philodendrons were very hard to get a hold of and very, very pricey. So I reached out to all my plant friends, and basically nobody had any. So I was tipped off about Joe Happy Baby Plants from Chicago, and I joined the forum he was in, and I reached out to him, and here's my plant. So I'm going to open this up, and we are going to see what this looks like. I know it's going to be small. That's okay. It will grow. I'm just so thrilled that I was able to get one again. Plant prices have really gone through the roof, and I'm sure the coronavirus has something to do with that. A lot to do with that, actually. Oh, look at that. Okay. He sent step-by-step growing instructions, which was really nice. Oh, wow. Look at that. Beautiful. It says, please keep her inside the clear dome about a month if your humidity is under 70%. Do not overwater, just once a week because of the dome humidity. And wait until you see root running from clear container. And after 1 month, open the dome lid little by little within a couple days to adjust humidity before you open the lid all the way. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. So that's really, really nice. A lot of places don't send care instructions. He used a piece of insulation on top. I guess I'll show you. This is inside the box. So a piece of insulation inside of a baggie. And then we have peanuts. And the, oh, look at that. There's another piece of insulation down in there. This is the dome container. So let me set this aside. This is actually the nicest that I have seen a plant packed for winter shipping. So, I mean, really great job. I will, of course, reach out to him and let him know But here we go. Oh, wow. Okay, Pink Princess. I'm going to open it up. Oh, this is the cutest little dome. Look at that. Open it up and carefully remove. Ooh. This is just ever so slightly moist. Oh. I am so excited. Okay. Look at this. I of course want to remove all the tape. And I don't want to break the container. And that's why I'm going so slow, because that's the last thing in the world that I want to do is damage its little home. I think that I can provide 70% humidity, but I want to get my humidity reader. I don't know what it's actually called, but basically I want to check before I positively say, oh yes, I can. Let me set this aside. He has wrapped this really well. Most of my plants, including my pitcher plants that need high humidity, do really well. I do run my diffuser, so I know that makes a difference in the humidity in here. And oh my. Okay, now you all can see. Is that not gorgeous? I hope you all can see really good. Of course, I'm going to put her little lid back on her. Like this. And for the moment, because I have to leave, I have some appointments I have to attend to today. So for the moment, I'm going to set her back inside this bigger humidity dome, because I have a cat who just loves to get into my plants. But that is my little Pink Princess Philodendron. And like I said, she won't take long to grow and get a lot larger. I do have a glass terrarium up there with some air plants, and I may end up putting her in with them. Just so she doesn't have to sit in this container. And so she's in more of an enclosed place. I'm super happy, guys. And I will tell you, I did not pay even $100 for this plant. She was under $100. So I'm very happy. I had set a price based on what I had paid before. And I had said that unless it is a huge plant, I'm not going to pay more than what I paid before. And I looked, I have seen those cuttings go for $250. I will tell you, I think that is ridiculous. This particular plant, the Pink Princess Philodendron, has been around since the 70s. And like I said, other than coronavirus, I have no idea what has caused these plants to explode in price like what they are. I do have some other plants coming, and some other plants that I will be sharing with you in the upcoming days. But for now, I just really wanted, I'm just so excited. I just really wanted to share with you the Pink Princess Philodendron. I think she has some beautiful variegation. And I think when she grows up, she's going to be an absolutely stunning plant. This time around, I'm going to keep her in the house, and I'm going to take some cuttings just in case something happens again, because as I've learned, you just never know. Anyway, guys, please subscribe. We are growing. We are a growing channel, and I really appreciate all of you subscribers. Thanks for watching, and have an absolutely fantastic day.